back to our channel, Learn to Teach Hairstyles. For those who don't know us, my name is Carrie, and this is my daughter, Graycie.
Hi everyone!
This channel is all about learning new and different hairstyles, so if this is your first time here, we would love for you to subscribe. And if you're already a subscriber, we thank you and we love you guys so much for your support.
Today we're going to be showing you guys how to do a twisted edge loop braid. So let's get started.
You're going to start off by sectioning the top part into a ponytail. Make sure that you get a good section on the top. Anything I use in this video, I'll leave a link in the description box below. Let's secure this off with an elastic band. I'm going to hide this with our own hair using a topsy tail. Okay, so you're going to take this ponytail and you're going to split this into 2 equal parts. Okay, so you're going to put this aside for the moment, and we're going to work on this side here. I'm going to take a small section from the side, smooth it out. So you're going to take this small strand and bring it over this big thick strand. Now hold this big thick strand with your thumb, put your 2 fingers in between here and here, and go under and grab that tail and loop it up. Tighten it like this. Make sure it's tightened. Now you're going to have her hold it. Make sure your girl holds it tight. And then you're just going to go ahead and add another section here. So you're going to grab another section from the side, smooth it out, and do the same thing. You're going to go ahead and bring this over. Put your thumb right on that strand, put your 2 fingers in between this here, and grab and pull through. Tighten it. We're going to go ahead and switch. I'm going to take that strand that she was holding, and she's now going to take the newer strand. You're going to take that strand now and you're going to bring it together with this big thick strand. Now you're going to pick up another section from the side, smooth it out, and then you're just going to do the same thing. Bring this over, let that strand rest on the thumb, put your 2 fingers in between here, grab with your 2 fingers the tail, and pull through. So we're going to go ahead and switch. This is all repeated. Twist that over, she's going to give it to her. Now we're going to combine that strand with this big thick strand. And go a little faster for time purposes only. Now, before I go any further, I'm going to go and take the edges and just pancake them out very slowly. I'm going to go ahead and continue. So now I'm just going to go ahead, clip this here together just temporarily. I'm going to go ahead and work on the other side. I'm going to do the same thing here, over there. Okay, so take a small section from the side, smooth it out, and bring it over, and go right through. Tighten it up, have her hold it. Now do the same thing. We're going to go ahead and take a small section from the side, smooth it out, bring it over, go right through. Okay, and then we're just going to switch. Put this together, and that's all there is to it. I'm going to go a little faster for time purposes only. now that I'm done, I'm going to go ahead and grab this here that I clipped together. So I'm going to grab these two right here, see here, and then this right here, and right here, secure it together, tighten it together. So you can leave these guys down just like this if you like, but I'm going to take these two thick strands, put them together, and do an infinity braid. You could do whatever you like with this. I'm going to take a small section from the right side and just go over and under and keep on going. I'm going to repeat until I have no more hair. And secure this off over here. Hide the elastic band. And there you have it. Final spin. Thank you guys so much for watching. We hope you enjoyed this tutorial and find value in it. Now, if there's a style that you would like us to recreate, please let us know in the comments below.
We love feedback, so let us know about your success and borrowing our videos for parts we might be able to improve on. Also click on the notification bell right next to the subscribe button. Don't forget to smash that like button
And click our logo below so you don't miss any of our upcoming tutorials.
to watch more of us. Click on over there. Love you guys. Until next time.
Learn it, do it, and teach it to others. Bye guys, God bless.